All right, guys, so welcome. MSS is doing very well. It's at $7.15 right now. It was available for pre-order on WeBuy for $4 to $5. And I did say in my IPO review and analysis video that I did before it went public, while it was available for pre-order, that it was a good pre-order and that it would go up, right? So that's perfect. I said the same thing about VSME. That did well also. So with that being said, yes, I do need to shave. I will shave for the next video. I'm going to talk to you about another IPO that I believe is going to also do similar as MSS. I think it's going to also go up $2 a share higher on day one. And that's enough, guys, right? In my opinion, sell on day one. That's just my opinion. I don't hold. None of these are great companies. But let's just look at it, and then I'm also going to show you something else from what occurred in my Discord, which is I'm starting to notice actually that this is working. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to share something awesome with you. All right, guys. So WeBuy Global Ltd is going public and has filed for an $8 million US IPO. The company operates a group of purchasing and e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia. All right, let's get to the Discord real quick. I'm starting to notice a trend, and it's good, and I like it. So what's going on is in my Discord I have a lot of tools for my members to use to help them out, right? There's the dark pool, and you have access. Pretty much what the dark pool is a private exchange platform for the elite to buy and sell without that information being readily available to the public and to the world, let's say. So that was actually put into law in the US so that it doesn't affect, let's say, the market sentiment, and it doesn't have any effects on the market because they're trading big blocks. But I do offer it in my Discord and have access to it. And I've noticed that there are times when I see a buy on the dark pool, which is live basically, that I like, and it seems interesting. If I get in it, it's going to go up. Now you have to work through it and figure out why and so on. If you should get in, but yeah, let me explain how. For example, so yesterday I noticed that the dark pool trade showed me with a green bar right here, which means it's a buy that the person bought. INVZ, right? Innoviz, and I was like, what? Innoviz? That's, in my opinion, it's like a horrible company, or I mean they're not making a lot of money in any way, shape, or form, and they're 50-50 they're going to make it or not. Speculated buy, but I was like, why in the world is this guy buying or this woman, whoever it was, 4.6 million shares at $1.88, which it was trading at $1.88 yesterday when that notification came out. Basically spending $8.6 million on Innoviz. And I was like, okay, I immediately alerted my Discord and I say, hey, look, somebody just threw $8.6 million on Innoviz at $1.88, which is what it was trading at. Trying to figure out what it was, what's going on. So I post trying to find out why the $8 million order for Innoviz at 188 went through. Couldn't really find much other than that. The only thing I did find, to be honest, that later this year in 2023, there's going to be a final decision on whether BMW and Volkswagen are going to integrate Innoviz products into their cars. So that's interesting. Maybe that person knows something. That's why they just took a position, $8.6 million worth. $8.6 million worth. That's 4.6 million shares that they bought. As of today, the dark pool shows no sale. All right, so it's not like that person was trying to do a quick day trade. But either way, so by the time I figured out what's going on, it went from 188 to 182, which was good for me. So I said I bought some Innoviz at 182 in the after hours, which was yesterday. Today, in beginning of regular trading hours, I sold it at 203. It went at 203 today, right up here as you can see, and I sold it. So from 182 to 203, I think that's awesome. Perfectly speaking for me, I'm happy. No worries, perfectly fine. I made a really good profit, so it was good. And I did alert everybody on my Patreon and my Discord and so on when I was going to sell, at what price and everything. I always do that, and people know that. But still, I see that this person did not sell those 8.6 million shares. Maybe something's going to happen with Volkswagen. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not trying to spread rumors, or I don't know what's going on. It could be a risk. I mean, it could be nothing. I don't know. I really don't know. But it was interesting. And when I noticed something very interesting like that coming in the dark pool, I noticed that the next day, had I gotten in the next day, I could have sold for profits. So that's pretty awesome. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below, the description of the video. It's basically patreon.com/bullmarketwatch. All right, guys, let's go to WeBuy, Singapore-based, right? So it's based in Singapore. WeBuy Global, which was founded to provide online shopping and supply chain management services for grocery and travel verticals in Southeast Asia. The company is headed by CEO Mr. Bing Zhu, who has been with the company since August 2019. The company has received so far $16 million in equity and debt from investors including GBuy Global, TLCW Ventures, WaveMarker, Pacific 3, and Rocket Internet Capital Partners. The total revenue for the company in 2021 was $22.2 million and then went up 99% to $44.5 million. Gross profit loss went from $2.5 to $3.7 million, and the gross margin is very low at an average of about 9%, let's say. Operating profit loss went from $8.2 to $7.3 million. Don't forget to share this video if you find it helpful. It really does help. So if you want to help me out, share the video in your social media networks. Take that link and share it. That really does help. Hitting the like button does help also. Comprehensive income loss, guys, goes from 8.1 to 6.7, and the cash flow from operations goes from 3.9 to $4.1 million. The company has 1.6 million cash. Total liabilities 10.8. Free cash flow is negative 4.1. They're not profitable in any way, shape, or form, right? So market cap at 200 million, enterprise value 193 million, price to sales 4.4. By the way, the float to outstanding shares ratio is 4%, which is insanely low, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. That means they'll be volatile. Net margin at negative 15.2%. Valuation score neutral, with the fact that the company is horrible, not financially, right? It's not good financially, so not a good company to hold on to. Financials are not good, but is it a good pre-order? In my opinion, yes. Do I think that it's gonna pop on day one? Yes. Is it gonna explode? Probably not. But if you can get it, the pre-order is $4 to $5. I think it'll hit $6-7 on day one. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. I'm not perfect. There's no way I'm perfect, right? So make up your own decision based on your own research, and let me know in the comment section below what you think. Have a good day, everyone. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.